Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the intro songs to my favorite punk records from 1980. So these are the opening chords, the beginning riffs to the first song from each album of my favorite punk rock records from 1980. For tone, I'm using my Fender Twin Reverb amp and the Proco Rat pedal. I'm using that for all my distorted sounds. There's a link in the description where you can get the Rat pedal. I get a tiny commission off of that and it helps support my channel, so check that out if you like the tone. And also remember to check out my website, scottobryanguitar.com. I have the tab for hundreds of punk rock and grunge songs up there. And here we go.